Hello, and welcome to this video on how to do a basic search in the JSTOR database. Always make sure that you go into JSTOR or any other of the University of Plymouth databases via Primo. In JSTOR, if you have accessed correctly, then you will see at the top of the screen access provided by Plymouth University. There is an advanced search option in JSTOR, but usually the basic search is enough for your needs. I'm going to type in a search on Mary Shelley. And this, as you might expect, is going to bring back an awful lot of results. So we need to narrow our search results down. Also, if we have a look at the results that are coming up, the phrase Mary Shelley is being picked up quite correctly, but also in some cases it's picking up on just the word Mary, which is obviously going to give us far more results than we actually want. So a quick way of narrowing our search down is by putting Mary Shelley in quotation marks, and that will ensure it finds those two words together only and not separately. So repeating our search, we should find that we get far fewer results this time. But that's still too many. So we need to focus our search more by adding in some extra search terms about the particular focus of the topic that we're interested in. So I'm going to use something called Boolean logic, which is where we add the words and or between our search terms. So if I add in the and operator and type in feminism, what that is asking me to do now is for JSTOR to find articles or book chapters that contain the phrase Mary Shelley, and also they have to contain the word feminism. So doing our search now should mean that we get fewer results. However, the word feminism could be expressed in different ways as well. So I'm going to use the operator or, and I'm going to add in a search term women's rights as an alternative expression. And I'm going to put that in quotation marks again to ensure it finds those words together. And I'm going to do my search. We should find that this brings back more results because we're broadening out our search terms. So a few more results there. Another option in JSTOR is to delete the ending of the word feminism back to the stem of the word where it begins to change. And if I add in an asterisk there, then that will pick up alternative word endings such as feminist, feminism, feminine. So again, if I repeat my search now, we should get a few more results because again, we're broadening out our search options slightly. You can also choose to refine your results using this panel on the left. So you may opt for just journal articles. You can limit your search by date or by subject area. And also, particularly if you're in your third year doing your dissertation or you're a postgraduate, you may want to click onto all content. JSTOR defaults just to the content that we can access through our subscription, but that means you might be missing some useful material. So clicking onto all content will also bring back results that we can't access through JSTOR, such as this result here. However, we may find that we can get access to that article through one of our other databases, or if we can't, we can try and order it for you through our interlibrary loan service. If I click onto the first result, I can choose to read my article on screen in this panel using the forward and backward arrows. I can see where my search terms are appearing within the article. I can alter the view and view it larger or smaller, or I can expand to fill the whole screen if I so wish. There's some extra information about the article on the left here, and also if I click Cite this item, it shows me how I can reference this particular article in any one of these 3 referencing styles that are quite common to the humanities. And that is how to conduct a basic search within the JSTOR database.